What's going on, guys? Check it out, check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Talking about these iPhone chargers that never work, never last long, work for a month or two. Well, we're gonna start by saying I done brought the real ones from Apple. I done brought good ones from T-Mobile, gas station, wherever you name. I done brought a charger from Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. They all will blow. No matter what you do, they will blow. No matter how you do it, what you do it, how you pay, how much you pay, you will end up spending a lot of money on chargers. They do not last long. See that? So what Apple needs to do is come up with a charger that lasts long, that actually don't blow. Because these are no good. Horrible. Last for a little while. So just letting you guys know, make sure when you buy a Apple charger, you know that it's temporary. Don't think you're gonna have it forever. All right? Thank you. Have a good one. Make sure you guys subscribe.